to the petition for not more than 30 minutes. Looking at the dashboard, I have several senators wishing to make contributions to this petition. And therefore, with a limited time of 30 minutes, I will allow per speaker or per senator contributing to this petition a maximum of 3 minutes. Senator Osotsi.
Mr. Speaker, I do not wish to contribute to this one. The next one.
Now, honorable senators, this habit of you walk in, key in, and go to the lounge, you clog the queue. If you don't wish to contribute, please do not clog the dashboard, kindly, so that we can only have those who are wishing to contribute on the dashboard. Senator Cheruiyot.
You know, Mr. Speaker, the reason I'm laughing is because Senator Osotsi, we are told, or someone told us yesterday, is a leading IT expert on the Azimio side. So I'm wondering, Mr. Speaker, if he's struggling with basic technology, such as the gadgets of the House, how can he then do the technology work that is needed to do in Azimio, Mr. Speaker? Anyway, I now understand the source of the difficulty with technology. Mr. Speaker, this is a very important petition that Senator Cheruiyot has brought before this House. It's not the first time that we are hearing about the mistreatment of what you'd call UHC workers. That's what they are commonly referred to. If you check in all your counties, Mr. Speaker, you'll realize that during the COVID pandemic, national government, through its intervention of trying to show up healthcare management in all our 47 counties, did a universal recruitment of Kenyans, and they were all sent to the various county governments. There were very lofty promises. So many young people applied with lots of enthusiasm, and they believed that finally they had met their destiny and they were going to serve their country and be proud while at it. Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, thus has not come to fruition. It has not come to fruition because there seemed to be a push and pull between the Council of Governors and the national government. Council of Governors maintain on one end that the wages with which they were recruited, one, is unsustainable, and two, they cannot afford to add it to their books, Mr. Speaker. And therefore, during this push and pull, these honorable citizens, trained medics that have dedicated a lot of their time and money studying on how to ply their trade and serve the citizens of the country, have continued to suffer, Mr. Speaker. It is my sincere hope that the health committee, Mr. Speaker, will get to the bottom of this matter so that they can advise the Finance and Budget Committee, because at the heart of this dispute are budgetary issues. Who will eventually carry the blame? Because Council of Governors insist that the only way they can continue to maintain this staff is via conditional grant, something which the national government has said, health is a devolved function. We only hired to show up the numbers during the COVID pandemic. Now take responsibility. I hope the Health Committee can give a lasting solution so that the young men and women that are suffering in all our 47 counties can lay their struggles to rest and serve their country with pride, Mr. Speaker. It's unfortunate that people who have gone to school, taken time to study, have to live on sometimes 3 months contracts, 6 months, or 1 year in some of the best counties. In fact, in most counties, they are being paid as casual laborers, which is really unfortunate, Mr. Speaker. So I expect that the Health Committee will do justice to this matter and conclude on it quickly. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Sifuna.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I had the privilege of sitting in on the